What's up, guys? Today, let's go for a quick drive of this 2024 INFINITI QX80 Sensory. MSRP of $92,000. Highest trim level of the QX80 with the diamond stitching on the seats, captain's chairs. Very comfortable seats in here. Love the big naturally aspirated V8. Touchscreen here, and you can also use this controller down here for that as well. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have a wireless charger. Speedometer, right? You have a digital gauge cluster. It's not digital, but the center. You have the center screen where you can see some stuff. Fuel economy and all that. This is the backup camera. You have a 360 camera, and this one appears to have a bike rack as well. Interesting. And you have the Bose Performance Series sound system in here. That engine sounds so good. This thing does have a lot of body roll though, and the steering is really, really light. I mean, obviously it is a luxury SUV. I'm sure, you know, some people like that, but I prefer if it would had a little bit heavier steering, just because it's such a big car. The body roll is ridiculous, and then it just feels kind of unwieldy. And you also have the camera mirror, super clear. Really nice resolution on that. You have chrome mirrors on this Sensory. Got this nice dark gray wheels. All-wheel drive. Three years of scheduled maintenance with INFINITI for free. Complimentary maintenance, which is nice. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.